If your SaaS is growing but becoming harder to run, adding another tool probably won't fix the problem. Your operating system may already be broken. The good news is you don't need to rebuild everything from scratch. You need to identify where the system is failing and repair it in the right order. Start with documentation. Ask a simple question. Where does your team go for the current trusted version of how work gets done? If the answer depends on who you ask, you don't have a reliable source of truth. Bring critical processes, decisions, responsibilities, and operating knowledge into a clear documentation system. Don't document everything. Start with the information your team repeatedly needs to find, ask about, or recreate. Next, fix communication. Decide what belongs in Slack, what belongs in email, what requires a meeting, and what should be documented instead of discussed repeatedly. The goal isn't less communication, it's less unnecessary communication. Then, repair execution. Every important piece of work should have a clear owner, priority, deadline, and visible next action. If everyone is responsible, nobody really owns it. Your team should be able to see what needs to happen next without waiting for the founder to tell them. Next, rebuild operational visibility. You shouldn't need another meeting just to discover whether something is on track. Create simple dashboards and reporting rhythms that show progress, bottlenecks, risks, and the few metrics leadership actually needs to make decisions. Then, look at founder dependency. Ask yourself, which decisions still come back to me that someone else should be able to make? If your team has the documentation, communication rules, execution clarity, and operational visibility they need, more decisions can happen without becoming founder bottlenecks. But there's one mistake to avoid. Don't try to repair every system at the same time. Find the point creating the most operational friction and fix that first. Then connect it to the other systems. Documentation supports communication. Communication supports execution. Execution creates visibility. Visibility supports better decisions. And better decisions reduce unnecessary founder dependency. That's what turns disconnected processes and tools into a real SaaS operating system. The goal isn't more process for the sake of process. It's to make the business easier to operate as it grows. When your operating system works, your team knows where information lives, how communication flows, who owns execution, what's happening across the company, and which decisions they can make without you. That's how you repair the operational infrastructure behind a growing SaaS company. Build the systems your SaaS needs to scale without chaos. Visit SaaSFounderSystems.com.